I work like a dog, and I'm good at my job, and I'm good for everyone they need. So I take it off, and I might still be, and I may never come back again. I need to breathe, speaks into me, writing my name in the sand. I need a break from this job, this angry boss man. Your body ocean, just sit back and take it all. I got a feeling I need to breathe. People at work, they think I'm a wonder. I need some time myself. I don't want to waste my precious vacation living for somebody else. 'Cause I don't have a drink and I might fall dead. I don't think that